Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Happy Easter from my side. Today is Saturday, 19th of April. Yeah? Tomorrow will be Easter Sunday. So I'm actually at work and on powder, on break. When you hear me say powder is just simple a break. I'm on my break and I have a little time. I said let me use it and make a small video for you guys to watch. Okay. So today I will be talking about strategies to make money with live stream on YouTube. Last time I came live on YouTube telling people how they can be using live stream to make a lot of money. Like if you're a type, sorry that I'm talking and eating. I'm on my powder, so I have to eat my bread food. I came with bread and the granite. You see it there? And this is my water. So sorry for that. I'll be talking and also telling you you can use a lot of strategies to make money on YouTube. But today I'll be talking about the one of live stream. So people don't really go live. If you check on YouTube, there are 3 ways you can make money on YouTube. Main ways. Let me say 3 main ways YouTube bring out for you to make money. 1 is uploading a video. 2 is going to live stream. 3 is making a short videos. You can use these 3 things ways to make money online on YouTube. But today I will concentrate on with one of the live stream. People don't really use their live stream at all. And when I found out why they don't use it, some people said, because I have investigated, asked people, I made a lot of investigation. I found out that even my own too, from what I have from people and from my own experience, I found out that people don't like to go live because there is no enough money coming out. When you can stay like 1 hour, 2 hours, even more than that. Even when you meditate in a small like 50 minutes, still you will not have a lot of people join you and you're not going to have enough money. You know? And because of that, people don't really like to go live. And some other reasons, which I may not say here. So, but I found out another way you can use to make money with make money on YouTube with live stream. I told it last time. People were asking me, where will I get click to cut my video? So people ask me, there's a comment, I will paste it here as I'm talking. Today I will show you, although here I'm not with phone to show you, but I will also snap and also show you where you're going to click to cut your videos. For people who have not watched the video I made before, that video is very important because if you don't know these strategies, you are not going to be going live, and you are losing. In a way that you will go live as I'm now, and even I go live now, and I'll be in the live talking. and cutting my videos in short 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and allow it to stay unlisted. People ask me, how do I cut it? I will show you how you're going to cut it. Because people do go live, but they don't make a research, check what they are using, if there is anything they can click. When you go live, you will see 3 or 4 icons on your live with your face like this. Check it, the last one. That is where you're going to click to cut your videos. But before you cut it, mind you, you have to reach like 4-5 minutes before you can click on that. You can't just start and begin to click. You have to have been stay like 5 minutes or 4 minutes before you can cut. And I advise you that when you're going to cut is when you have very important something you are discussing that will be interesting. People would like to watch. Okay? Not if you are saying hello, how are you doing, how is your everything, you cut it. That one, they may not like to watch it. Where you're saying hello, join, let us talk. You know? You have to check where that is more important. You target it, you have to target it. And when you cut it, you allow it to stay unlisted. And that unlisted, we call it highlights. When you cut it, YouTube will show you how many minutes that is involved in the live stream that you cut. You can as well change the title, rename it, or you can as well leave it as YouTube have cut it for you. And edit it, you can add your small title telling people that this is a highlight of the live stream I made last time. Please check it out. Or you can as well add some tags if you like. Make a photo of you talking, or your photo you snapped and put it there. Believe me, there are a lot of huge RPM in it. Last time I told you, RPM, no video you could make that will have like 10 euro RPM. If there is, there must be teaching, very nice teaching that will be like that. Because I've made it for like 4 or 5 times. I see that it has a huge RPM. RPM, for people who don't know what is RPM, RPM is how much YouTube pay you in 1,000 views you have in a video. Like if you have 1,000 views on a video, you get 10 euro in my own currency. So imagine where you are, equivalent 10 euro. What will it be in your own currency? So the CPM, I have a video highlight I cut, and I have 25 euro CPM. I said, what? Some 20 euro, some 18 euro used to be very high, guys. I said, what? You know how YouTube does? If you share that video out to people who are going to watch it, you are going to accumulate a lot of money. And if you allow it to stay there, as people are watching it, it can be decreasing small. Okay? So use this way to make money. Stop staying making only the video. Use these 3 ways you can on YouTube to make money. Use live stream, use uploading videos, use short to make money. Short, you can use this and make a small money, but you're going to have subscribers and your video will reach far and near. People who don't know you may know you through your short, and it can bring people to your channel. If you are doing a nice thing, they can subscribe and stay with you. So stop using only uploading video to make money. A lot of ways you can use to make money on YouTube. So what I'm going to do, get a fine title, beautiful title you can use, come live. Talk about it. If you are cooking, come live. Come live, cook your food, discuss what you are cooking. You can prepare your food, what you are going to use to cook. And when it's the time to put all your ingredients in the pot, you click, cut it. That particular 5 minutes video will stay out for you. After unlisted for 2 or 3 days, sometimes you can post it like that. Doesn't matter. Whether you stayed like 1 or 2 days, it doesn't matter. You can, after live stream, you can now post it. People are going to watch it. Mostly, if you are people that have a lot of people that are going to watch your channel, are going to have a lot of money through highlights on the live stream. This is very important. So I decided to come and explain to it, add more explanation on it. Because I know people are asking a question about this. People say, how can this happen? Yes. That big video, that big live stream you make, that's one of 2-3 hours. Sometimes you may not have much money from it, maybe tiny money from it, but you see the cutting one, the highlights have a lot of money. So stop wasting your time. Come live. Don't be ashamed. If you are not self-confident to come live, learn how you can be self-confident. Come live. Whatever you people can talk, let them talk. I don't know why people say I don't like coming live. All I say. And if I come live now, what I'm saying now is what I'm going to say. Even I love live, coming live, because if people come join your live, to make you to have a lot of things to talk, because people are going to be asking you questions, and coming live is the best of my video. I love it so much. Since I learned this particular strategies of making money on YouTube through live stream. So guys, I don't want to waste a lot of money and a lot of time. And try it and let me know what you think about it. And you're gonna thank me later. So God bless you for watching. Don't forget to hit me a like, share, and subscribe to my channel for next time. So if you have any question about it, kindly ask me and I will elaborate it more and more. So my break is over. I'll be going in now. Let me know what you think about this. Have you tried it before? How is your RPM? How is your CPM? How is the money you have earned? So, thank you, love you so much, and keep watching other of my videos. Join my membership. Join my channel membership, guys. Join. You can support this channel with €1, €2, €5, €10. Okay? Thank you so much. And don't forget to know that our channel is just lifestyle and more. If you have a product review to make for you, email me. On the email, I'm going to add in the description. I'm going to get you and show your product to people on the world. Love you so much. Bye. Bye.